You've got mail.
Yo, what's good, Swizzle Crypto Vibes crew? It's Alex, your guide to the internet's epic glow-up, coming at you live.
And I'm Jordan, here to break it down so simple, even a 5-year-old gets it. We're talking how the web went from boring emails to crypto magic. No techie jargon, just good vibes for beginners. Picture the internet as a playground that keeps getting cooler. Ready for the ride?
First up, Web 1, the internet's baby days. Back in the 90s and early 2000s, think of a quiet library with one big boring book you can only read. No drawing or adding pages.
Totally. Websites like Yahoo, like flipping through a giant phone book, search best cookies, get a plain list. No reviews, no fun. Email on Hotmail, like passing a dull note in class. Meet at 5, and waiting forever for a reply. Flip phones? Beep beep, you'd mash buttons to text CUL8R. No pics, no emojis. Big companies made all the websites, and we just stared, like looking at a poster on a wall. Web 1 connected us, but it was a one-way street.
Then, boom! Mid-2000, Web 2 crashes in like a wild playground party. It's red and right. Now we're all making stuff.
Oh yeah, MySpace was your sparkly clubhouse. Add a cool song, glittery backgrounds, shout-outs to your besties. Facebook? Post a pic of your tacos, tag your crew, get likes from your cousin. Instagram? Slap a filter on your smoothie snap or drop a quick story. TikTok? Make a 15-second dance video and it might go viral worldwide. You're uploading vlogs on YouTube, streaming jams on Spotify, binging Netflix. Web 2's a loud, fun party. But here's the catch. Big companies like Facebook and Google are the playground bosses. They keep your pics, your likes, your data to sell ads. You make the fun, they pocket the snacks.
Now, let's sail to Web 3.0, the treasure island where you own the gold. It's read, write, and own, powered by blockchain. A magic notebook everyone can see, but only you have the key to your page. No sneaky companies messing with your stuff.
Let's make it super easy with crypto examples tied to BSL Bank. First, XRP. It's like a superhero mail carrier for money. Want to send cash to your grandma across the globe? Old banks are slow turtles charging big fees. XRP zooms, it sends money in seconds, super cheap, like tossing a coin across the ocean, no bank needed. Perfect for buying stuff online anywhere.
Next, Hedera, like a super strong magic toy box that's fair for all. It's a hash graph, which just means it's fast, eco-friendly, and safe. Imagine voting for your town's best park online, and nobody can cheat. Or checking if your sneakers came from a nice factory. Hedera handles tons of stuff. Quick and green, like a speedy bike, not a gas guzzler. Great for tracking goods or paying artists fairly, no middleman.
And Zebec? It's like a lemonade stand paying you every second. Instead of waiting for a paycheck, Zebec streams your money, like water dripping into your piggy bank. Work an hour, get paid for that hour right away. Turn crypto into card money for snacks or games, like Apple Pay with digital coins. Awesome for freelancers or gamers who want cash now.
Quick recap. Web 1 was a boring book you read. Web 2 was a playground where you shared stories. Web 3, your treasure island, and you owned the gold.
XRP, Hedera, and Zebec make it fast, fair, and all yours. At BSL Bank, they're diving into Web 3 to help your money and ideas shine. It's new, like when flip phones became smartphones, but it's going to be huge. Drop your questions below, subscribe for more Swizzle crypto vibes, and let's unlock Web 3 together.